Top 5 Skill in 2023. Here is top skill that you can learn and earn good amount of money in 2023. Artificial intelligence and machine learning. As technology continues to advance, there will be a growing need for professionals who can work with and understand these technologies. Cloud computing. The use of cloud-based services is becoming increasingly prevalent in businesses and organizations, so skills related to cloud computing and data management will be in high demand. Cybersecurity. With the increasing reliance on technology, the need for professionals who can protect against cyber attacks and data breaches will continue to grow. Data analysis and visualization. The ability to collect, analyze, and interpret large amounts of data will be essential for making informed decisions in many industries. Programming and software development. As technology continues to advance, there will be a growing need for professionals who can develop and maintain software systems.